Ladies and gentlemen, the semi-finals are here. Now, the spotlight shines on the best of the best, where legends rise and, of course, the dreams hang in the balance. It's still a high-stakes showdown as the ACC Green Serpents go head-to-head with the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights in the seniors division, fighting for a place in the Bucal Season 6 Championship. Good evening, Bicolania, and I am Jasper Abante. Together with me is Rick Berta, and now you are tuned in to the semi-finals round for Bucal Season 6 live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, and also live via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, it's a knockout semifinals between the Green Serpents and the Golden Knights. Makikita natin dito kung sino yung may pinakamay puso para maglaban on that final spot. And of course, yung kanina nga, nanalo na dito ang ating NCF Cubs. So waiting na po sila on our juniors division. So this time, it's on the seniors division. Again, napakaganda po ng match-up na ito. ACC Green Serpents versus the Golden Knights. Sa una at pangalawang paghaharap ng dalawang kupunan na ito, talagang nakita natin kung gaano nagpursigi, gaano ang training kalalaan, gaano kaganda ang game plan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So, it's a matter of good basketball game plan and basketball IQ. Yun ang puhunan dito kung sino ang mananalo between these two teams. Now, I think handang-handa na dito ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the Green Serpents. And let's see kung sino ang kasama niya at kung ano ba ang preparations ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Now, Chen, anong balita dyan?
Good afternoon, Rick and Jasper. We are finally here in the semifinals knockout game dito sa Bucal Season 6 Seniors Division, at matutunghayan nga natin ang bakbakan between the Amanda Copic College Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako po ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents. And to have a little conversation, we have here the team captain of the ACC Green Serpents, John Nico Nagar. Ayan, good afternoon. Diretso na tayo. Bukod sa preparation nyo, ano ba ang strategies na gagawin nyo para ma-secure ang spot patungo sa finals?
Siyempre po, ang strategy namin is to yung defense po namin, mas dodoblehin pa namin yung defense namin na kaya namin mag-sustain first hanggang fourth, gaya ng ginawa namin sa annunciation.
Ayan, invite mo naman ang ACC community na i-support kayo dito sa game nyo. Sina-shoutout ko po lahat ng ACC community na mag-support sa amin. Ngayon, hanggat sa dulo, kung manalo man kami dito, sana supportahan nyo kami hanggang finals. Ayan, thank you so much and good luck to the team. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, and on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayun na nga, at narinig naman natin, Rek, and of course sa ating viewers, na yun nga yung dapat nating abangan on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Mas pinahigpit, dinoble, trinipleng depensa para naman makounter nila itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, one of the powerhouse of Bucal. And speaking of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Via, on the side of the Golden Knights. Via, take it away.
Good afternoon, basketball fans. This is Veronica Nacario reporting live from Bucal Season 6 semifinals. We're just moments away from the tip-off between the Ateneo Golden Knights against the ACC Green Serpents. The atmosphere here is electric as both teams prepared for what promises to be a thrilling match. Before the game, I'm joined here by the courtside by the Ateneo Golden Knights team captain, Joma Magno. Joma, this is Ateneo's 6th straight semifinals appearance here in Bucal. What does this mean for you and the team?
Siyempre, isa siyang added motivation para sa team. So, pero para sa amin kasi, hindi lang dapat semifinals appearance. So, you know, from the start, the goal is to get and win the championship.
The Knights really are hungry for victory. You're up against a tough opponent and it's the ACC Green Serpent. What's the team's mindset heading into this game?
So, we all know naman na ACC is one of the toughest team here in Bucal. So, yun. Sabi lang sa amin ng mga coaches na we need to play our role. So, sa amin kasi may ginagampanan kaming roles every time na maglalaro kami. So yun, sabi ng mga coaches, once na achieve namin, nagmagampanan namin yung mga roles namin, yun, the higher the chances na makukuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you, Joma. Best of luck to you and the Golden Knights. As the players take their final warm-up, the energy in the arena is incredible. Both teams are fired up and ready to give their all. So stay tuned as the tip-off is moments away.
Thank you so much, Via, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, napakagandang bakbakan, Rick, yung nag-aabang sa atin on the second game of our semi-final round. Ayun na nga at natunghayan na natin for our first game this Monday, yung bakbakan ng NCF Tigers and of course ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and now they are waiting, the NCF Tigers waiting on the championship round. And ayun nga narinig natin for this game, narinig natin according to Joma Magno on the side of the Golden Knights, yun yung kanilang goal, to get the championship for Bucal Season 6.
So I think both teams talagang ito din yung goal nila, is to win this championship. And now, yun nga, nabanggit ko kanina, matibay na lamang because this is a knockout semifinal. So again, tutok lamang po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga. And also live po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga channel. So sa mga team bahay po, talagang tutok po tayo dito kasi napakaganda po. This is the highlights of this day. And now, nakikita natin dito sa ating screens na nagre-ready na itong dalawang kupunan. And of course, our officiating official, thank you so much po sa patuloy na paglilingkod dito sa Bucal Season 6. And of course, sa mga audience po dito sa loob ng Adnu Gymnasium, because again, mapupuno na naman dito ang ating mga bleachers. So again, itong Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, whenever they have their games, talagang itong one big fight community ang palaging pumupuno dito sa ating venue, which is their home court. So it's a home court advantage on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. But hindi natin dito pwedeng deadman itong ACC Green Serpents, because ito yung nakaharap ng ating former defending champion, which is the Annunciation Panthers, and sila din ang nag-eliminate dito. So napakaganda po ng masasaksihan natin dito. For a while, magsisimula na po ang ating first quarter at ipapakilala na ang first five for both teams.
Alright, so most especially, Rick, na yung winner for this match will be advancing on the championship for Bucal Season 6, and maghihintay sila kung yung makakatapat ba nila for our championship round. Will it be the NCF Tigers in the seniors division or the USI Falcons, the undefeated team? Grabe. Sunod-sunod na, Rick, yung top-tier basketball actions natin dito for Bucal. Well, since then pa naman nagsimula tayo for Season 6 up until now dito sa ating semifinals, and now our officials is now introducing the first five for this ball game. And that was our first five, Rick. Nakilala na nga natin yung ating first five. Hatid sa atin yan ang ating announcer for this matchup. And this time, we'll be starting na for the most awaited, most anticipated bakbakan on the semifinals. It's win or go home for both of these teams. Well, it's not pa pala, Rick, because they will be having a battle for the third placer nor the first placer.
Yes, magkakaroon tayo dito ng battle for third kung sino man po ang matatalo dito. And of course, doon sa matatalo on our another Final Four contenders, we have the USI and the NCF. But for now, mag-focus tayo dito at tumutok sa bakbakan ng Green Serpents and the Golden Knights. As you can see on our screen, both teams, andito na yung kanilang first five. Now, it will start on the tip-off.
Now, let's see kung sino makakakuha dito ng first ball possession and first chance to draw that first blood dito sa ating matchup. Now, that was that tip-off coming from jersey number 7 of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights Madridano, but that was a first ball possession dito for our ACC Green Serpents. Now, buena obra here on the side of the Green Serpents. Now to Galvez fighting for an early long three and almost getting that shot, but here comes Naga for that offensive rebound. Now out of bounds as the same ball possession dito for the ACC Green Serpents. Let's see rin kung ano yung mga inihanda nila dito for this semi-final matchup.
Now 10 seconds to shoot, buena obra, heavily guarded here. 5 to shoot for the Green Serpents. No good para dito kay Galvez.
A cold hand and a cold start for Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now let's take a look on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. A missed opportunity after that layup by jersey number 26 of the Golden Knights Valle. Grabe yun. Nahiwawa na doon yung ating Ateneo de Naga community, assuming that ball will go inside, converting 2 points in the first blood for the Golden Knights. Now still ball possession of the Golden Knights, an opportunity here to score. Mon Aureliano on the outside. Now almost a steal, but here comes Fulgar getting that 2-pointer on the side of the Golden Knights. First blood, first point for the semifinals match. Now buena obra on the corner. Nagar fighting for a 3, but an early whistle dito. Matatawagan nga dyan ng pushing foul. Jersey number 11, It buena obra of the ACC Green Serpents.
Ateneo to inbound. Plaza looking for his teammate. Now Fulgar, heavily guarded by Galvez. Now Arellano looking for his teammate.
And now it's a blocking foul coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Well, napapadalas dito yung ating fouls for the first quarter or the early sequence of our first quarter dito. ACC Green Serpents. Now, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, jersey number 7. Now to Mon Aureliano, diretso dito. Mon Aureliano makakakuha nga dyan ng easy layup on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now ACC once again on its offense. Galvez on the outside, handing it to jersey number 4. Diretso ngayon jersey number 4. May kasabay pa nga diyang foul itong si Basaysay of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now chance for the Green Serpents here para maibalik sa kanila ang kalamangan or even tie this matchup. Basaysay.
Grabe, tutok na tutok din na Rick yung ating team bahay dito. We have here 650 viewers on our Oragon Sports
and I believe
Facebook Live.
And I believe just for 80% of that is fans ng ating ACC Green Serpents because hindi nga sila makakapunta dito sa ating venue. So
yes, of course, Rick, dahil malayo din sila. All the way from Tabaco City, Albay, ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now back on the ball game. Almost a deflection here, but a steal coming from jersey number 7.
And now Nagar passing the ball to Bron. Napakaganda ng sipat na yon ni Nagar para doon sa last sequence na yon, finding Bron, and now Bron delivers. Samahan pa yan ng foul.
Grabe, napakagandang pagsisimula on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 3 points play opportunity, Bron on the side of the Green Serpents. Well, let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights para matigilan yung maagang momentum on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, no good on that 3 points play opportunity by Bron. Now, here comes jersey number 70, Plaza. Di diretso Plaza. And makakagente rin dito rin ng free throw opportunity that was coming from Bron. And here comes the Ateneo community on their taas kamay. And that was good on that first attempt by Plaza. Well, actually, Rick, hindi pa natin nakikita yung talagang play nitong dalawang teams na ito on that early start of our first quarter. And that was good on that free throws by Plaza on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Galvez
Looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Basaysay. And now Nagar. No good. And ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents. Natama pa yon sa shoulder ni Fulgar. That's why another opportunity on the side of the Green Serpents here to add their lead. Nagar to his body. Galvez.
Grabe. Napapadalas dito rin yung fouls itong ating Ateneo de Naga. Golden Knights that was coming from jersey number 7, Madridano. And now, a chance for them to extend their lead to 3 points kontra dito sa ating Golden Knights. Now, Galvez getting that first attempt for his free throws.
Now, Galvez again on that free throw line. 8-6 on our scoreboard. And a clean basket for him. Talagang tansyado nito ni Galvez ang ating court and basket. Because on their previous match against the Annunciation Panthers, si Galvez po ang ating best player of the game. Napakaganda po ng nilaro niya on that last match. And now, let's see kung ganun pa rin ba dito ang gagawin ni Galvez. And speaking of the Green Serpents, Basaysay fires for that 3 points. Napakaganda para dito sa ating Green Serpents coming from that steal. And now, let's take a look one more time for this instant replay. Basaysay on that corner for 3. And with that, napatawag po dito ng timeout itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights because abante na po dito ng 6 ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
Grabe yun, Rek. Basaysay was waiting for that ball on the corner and saktong-sakto without hesitation putting up 3-pointer, and that forces nga the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights to issue an early timeout here. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong counter offense and also the defense, kung ano yung kanilang adjustments dun sa kanilang depensa dahil medyo madaling nakakaputos itong ating ACC Green Serpents as we can see. And also ACC Green Serpents, paano ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang nasimulang momentum dito?
Ayan, just per yan ang aabangan natin because we know din kung paano maglaro itong Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ano ang gagawin ditong adjustment after the timeout? Plaza to inbound. Looking for his teammate.
Now, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights on the offense. Plaza, well guarded here by Basaysay. Now, Galvez. Fulgar. A rejection coming from Bruno of the ACC Green Serpents. But still naman coming from Mon Aureliano na Fulgar libre. Makakakuha nga dyan rin ng 2 points on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe. Napakagandang steal and a revenge on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now almost losing that ball. Once again, Mon Aureliano di diretso. After that steal, what an assist rin coming from Mon Aureliano to Pulgar. Napakagandang team dynamics itong dalawang ito. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Pinasiguro na doon itong ni Mon Aureliano na makapag-convert sila doon ng puntos, getting that 2-pointer on the side of the Golden Knights. And yun din, nakapag-tawag din dito ng timeout itong ating ACC Green Serpents dahil mukhang naging effective, Rick, yung kanilang adjustments doon sa naitawag na timeout by their head coach, Coach Nuki Sabio. Ayan.
2 points ang kailangan ditong kunin pa ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights if they want to tie this match. And of course, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang Green Serpents because of that sunod-sunod na point conversion on the side of the Golden Knights. So on the other side of things, ano din ang magiging adjustment dito ng ating Green Serpents. So everyone expect na magiging dikit 2 talaga ang ating larong ito because these teams talagang pinakitaan tayo ng napakagandang round dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. Nagsimula sa first round of elimination up until the quarterfinals. And back to the ball game. Naga tatawid ngayon ang bola on their side, passing the ball to Galvez.
Now Beltran to Basaysay. Basaysay well guarded here by Monay. Now Basaysay iiwan dyan si Monay. Almost getting that teardrop shot, but here comes Mac Tripolka for that defensive rebound. Now Mac Tripolka with that spin on the outside, firing for 3. Almost getting that triple, but now here comes Galvez for that defensive rebound. Now John Nico Nagar magdadala ng bola for the ACC Green Serpents, but that was almost a steal coming from Mon Aureliano. And now the same ball possession dito for our ACC Green Serpents.
I would like to highlight, Jasper, na itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, palagi sila ditong natatalo when it comes to their semifinals match. Nagkaroon na nga sila ng Grand Slam on that 3rd spot. And now, let's see kung mabibreak ba yung usually nangyayari dito on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So, yan ang aabangan natin dito. Meanwhile, this ACC Green Serpents, sanay na ito na nasa final, magkakaroon sila ng final appearance. But now, hindi pa rin natin alam kung kanino mapupunta ang match na ito.
And still now, coming from Beltran now, John Nico Nagar. Let's see John Nico Nagar with that screen coming from jersey number 7 on the outside. Basaysay once again firing for 3. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, Rick. An early pointer coming from Coronejo and now 3-pointer coming from Basaysay. Magandang run yung pinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and this time turnover agad dito sa kanila after that out of bounds by the Golden Knights. Grabe, napakagandang bakbakan for our first quarter. And as we are approaching to the midway of our first quarter, ayan, 7 puntos na po yung kalamangan dito ng ating Green Serpents now. Let's see, Nagar inbounding the ball to Galvez. Now Galvez with 10 on the 24. Galvez, matatawagan na dito ng foul itong Simon Aureliano.
Five minutes and 8 seconds remaining for our first quarter, and still ayaw magpahabol nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now on their previous match nitong ACC Green Serpents, talaga ang napakagandang nagti-3 points dito is si Galvez, but right now it's Basaysay. 5 to shoot para dito sa Green Serpents.
Almost a steal coming from Mon Aureliano, but here comes the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Mon Aureliano pa rin nagdadala ng bola. Now Mac Tripolka, titira nga siya ng toss and layup, and may kasabay pa yang foul. Grabe, let's take a look once again, Rick. Grabe.
Smart move para dito kay Mac Tripolka. Now, another opportunity for him to add their score here.
Now Mac Tripolka for his 3 points play opportunity, and that was good on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now jersey number 28, Joma Magno now checking in for the Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano yung magiging contributions niya dito since siya yung nakasama kanina, Rick, ng ating courtside reporter na si Via for that early interview on the side of the Golden Knights. And now, let's see, since parang nagka-discussion dito yung ating officials.
Galvez to inbound. Passing the ball to his teammate.
Now 19. Pull-up jumper. No good. Now Coronejo. Pero may pagtapik doon. Itong si Mac Tripolka on the side of the Golden Knights. Disabled possession tayo dito, Rek, for the Green Serpents.
Sevillano to inbound. 13 seconds to shoot. Now Basaysay taking his time here and looking for his teammate. Pero again, sa kanila palin ang ating ball possession. 5 seconds remaining para dito sa ating shot clock. Sevillano.
Ayan, grabe. Parang nagkumpulan na doon yung players natin. And as we can see, exchange of words coming from both of these teams. Ayan. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito. Now, Galvez fighting for 3 on the outside. No good. And now, out of bounds as the Ateneo de Naga will take that ball possession. 4 minutes and 16 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. Napakahigpit, Rick, ng ating first quarter. Well, let's see.
Both teams are now on the penalty situation.
Now, Mac-triple ka dito. Didiretso! Grabe! Walang alinlangan, Rick. Kahit dalawa yung bantay niya ng Mac-triple ka. Playing consistently for the Golden Knights. And ngayon, matatawagan na dito ng pushing foul itong si jersey number 28, Joma Magno. And that was an early tee for both of these teams. Ayun, Rek, nakita nyo, that was an early technical foul. Grabe, napakainit ng ating tagpo for the first quarter of this ball game. Let's see. And let's hear kung sino yung matatawagan dito. Grabe, napakainit ng ating ayun na nga at on that last sequence, that was a double technical foul. Monay of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and jersey number 19, Sevillano naman on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakainit ng tagpo natin, Rick, on the first quarter of this ball game. Now, let's see kung ano yung gagawin ng dalawang teams na ito para maipagpatuloy yung momentum, lalong-lalo na nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. A good start here for them. And now, Mac-triple once again losing that ball. And that was a turnover here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 7, Beltran to inbound. Now to Galvez.
Galvez, itatawid ngayon ng bola on the side of their team. Forcing that one.
Almost
Cornejo.
a shot, but that was a pass to Cornejo. And Cornejo getting that layup. Grabe, pinasiguro. Cornejo on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 16 of the Golden Knights, Beltran. Now to Mac Tripolka. Well guarded Mac Tripolka here by Beltran. Now double 3 Mac Tripolka. And a steal coming from Galvez. Now Galvez diretso. And that was a shooting foul on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe. Almost a fast break opportunity. Pero nasabayan siya doon ni Mac Tripolka getting that 2 free throws. And this was a chance for the ACC Green Serpents to extend their lead to 7 points. Grabe. In favor ang ating first quarter for the ACC Green Serpents. Well, 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin dito, Rek, ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Anong pagbawi kaya yung gagawin nila for our first quarter to have this change of momentum?
So again, nabanggit ko nga kanina, Jasper, na both teams are now on the penalty situation. So every foul na makukommit, it's either for on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights or the ACC Green Serpents, talagang magkakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity. So they should maximize those advantage and minimize their error. Beltran heavily guarded here by Coronejo. 15 to shoot and nice steal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Coronejo passing the ball to Galvez.
Now once again, ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Galvez mukhang titira doon ng tres, no? Nakikita nyo yun. Oh, nagulat din doon si Sevillano with that pass from Galvez, and that was out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take the same ball possession. And now Sevillano to inbound. Now Beltran stops and pops for 3, and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, that was securing a 15-point lead dito kontra sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now jersey number 27 almost getting that backcourt, and now
Magno passing the ball to his teammate, and now Valle fires for that 3, no good. Now ACC on the offense at this moment.
Now Galvez dito diretso, dalawa yung bantay. Galvez missing that opportunity, but that was a turnover. Ayan na nga, at a pushing foul from Galvez. That was a missed opportunity, but still 10 points lead po. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining.
And now Ateneo on that free throw line for an opportunity. Domingo. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. One more time for Domingo. Ayan, 16-25 on our scoreboard now. Sevillano passing the ball to Beltran.
Now Beltran on the outside, swings into jersey number 9, Kabahog. Now jersey number 5, Poderes. For the ACC Green Serpents, well guarded here by Mon Aureliano. Ayaw nang patawarin, pero nagpumilit dyan itong si jersey number 18, Coronejo. Hindi papayag na hindi sila makakapag-convert ng puntos, Rek. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 61, Domingo. And that was a foul coming from Beltran. That was a blocking foul. And makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws itong si Domingo on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, since both of these teams are now on the penalty situation. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Kaya naman, Rick, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga in Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge, FiberX by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, And of course, Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Now, Domingo on his second attempt. That was good onside of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights.
Now ACC basketball, a minute and 32 seconds remaining para sa unang quarter pa lamang po ng ating laro. Beltran passing the ball to Zidiliano.
Now 9-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, Zidiliano dancing here with jersey number 10 now. Zidiliano didiretso. Makakakuha nga dyan Rick ng 2 points karagdagan on the side of the ACC Green Serpents as we approach the last minute of the first quarter. Now jersey number 27, Jacob. Well guarded Jacob. And now Beltran once again with that steal. Beltran stops and pops for 3. But that was no good. Now here comes Pulgar for that defensive rebound. Jersey number 27, Jacob didiretso dito. Jacob losing that ball. Grabe, maigpit na depensa and on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Sevillano swings it on the corner. Now on the corner, back to Beltran. Now Beltran with 10 on the 24, fighting for 3. That was no good.
Arellano nagmamadali and getting a point after that last sequence. Now 20 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. And another great steal para dito kay Mon Aureliano.
Almost getting that 3-point play opportunity direct from Mon Aureliano of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and a chance here to cut down the lead of the ACC Green Serpents to 7 points as we are about to end our first quarter, ayan, and a couple of substitutions here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Mon Aureliano for his 2 free throws. Siyempre, nandyan Rick yung ating Bucal sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP, Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, 3GX, ICT Solutions, and of course, Pocari Sweat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Also, we have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Duty Free Philippines, Skytech Advertising, BMEG, and Department of Agriculture Bucal. Maraming salamat po. Now, ACC's basketball. Now, John Nico Nagar with 10 seconds on the first quarter. John Nico Nagar well guarded here. Now, Galvez with 5 on the game clock. Galvez, and that was a wrong pass. Out of bounds as the Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium. Now 2 seconds, and that was a steal. And that's the end, Rick, of our first quarter. 29-22, 7-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second quarter. Again, match up between the Golden Knights and the Green Serpents knockouts semifinals. Now ball possession ngayon ng Adnu. Fulgar to Arellano. And libreng-libre with that layup. Ano kaya ang magiging sagot dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? Nagar may hawak ng bola. To shoot, and a great block. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Plaza to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Now Ateneo on the offense. Chance to add their score and cut the lead na hawak ngayon ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Plaza heavily guarded. And
that was a wrong pass, Rick. That was a pass on the outside and an early turnover here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Sevillano well guarded here by Plaza. Didiretso ngayon, Sevillano. And that was a foul on the side of the Golden Knights by Plaza. Ayan, down to 5-point lead ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. What was their game plan for this second quarter? Now, Benaobra. Pull-up jumper, Benaobra. No good. Now, here comes Mon Aureliano for that defensive rebound. Mon Aureliano di diretso. And that was a foul from Kit Benaobra. And makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws is itong si Mon Aureliano on the side of the Golden Knights. And speaking of the Golden Knights, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Via. Take it away.
This marks Ateneo's 6th consecutive semi-finals appearance in Bucal. Back in seasons 1 and 2, they reached the finals and earned first runner-up honors both times. Their consistency in this league is unmatched and they're hungry for a championship this season. It's halftime here at the Ateneo Gym and the ACC's Green Serpents leading against the Ateneo Golden Knights. This game has been an intense back and forth with both teams refusing to give an inch. ACC's racking up points, dominating on both ends of the court. However, the Knights are adjusting their defense strategy to be on point and to step up and force turnovers and block these shots. The Knights are finding ways to keep up the game close. Their physicality in the paint and second chance points have been crucial in staying within striking distance. The stakes are only getting higher as we head into the second half. Ateneo will need to maintain their composure and execution while ACC looks to capitalize on their momentum. Can the Knights hold their ground or will the Serpents turn the tide? The next half will tell the tale. That is all. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that, Via. So yun nga, nabanggit ko din kanina na palagi talagang nagkakaroon ng semifinals match itong ating Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. But right now, their main goal is to get into the final appearance. So yan ang aabangan natin dito. Be physical, yan ang sabi ni Coach Nuki, because as the time progresses, also the player nagkakaroon dito ng intense match-up. Now, on the other side of things, I think handang-handa na dito ang courtside reporter ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Chen, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. First quarter has been a roller coaster of emotion. Both team came out strong para dito sa ating pinag-aagawang spot sa finals. But the ACC determination and dedication is firing as jersey number 7 Beltran and jersey number 18 Cornejo tandem ay talaga namang nag resulta sa kanilang leading score sa pagtatapos ng first quarter. During the huddle nga, the coaches keep reminding the boys na pahalagahan ang bawat effort na ginagawa nila sa loob ng hardcourt at kailangan lang nila magtulungan para paigtingin pa lalo ang depensa. Lagi lang paalala ng coaches na huwag matakot makipagsabayan at kailangan nila sa larong ito ay patunayan what the ACC Green Serpents is. Yan muna, and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since we are having an officials replay. And ngayon na nga medyo nahahabol na nitong ating Golden Knights yung score dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents with that 3-point lead na lamang from double digit kanina now to just 3 points. And ayun na nga na-mention ng ating courtside reporter na si Chen yung team chemistry dito ng ating players on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And of course, paano nila dito i-maintain yung kanilang momentum to capitalize their lead. Ayan yung malalaman natin dito sa ating second quarter since we are just approaching the 7th minute mark of the second quarter.
Ayan, syempre pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga live audiences. Shout out po kay Brennan Bornilla, kay Jaser Bola, Vince Irvin Santa Cruz, Thaddeus Noble, Cha Ramos, Christine Reyes, Kim Monteroso, Julius Morao, Wam Oconer, John Espinida Nacion, kay Justin Borlasa, Andre Espiritu, Alex P. Adolfo, Arlea Balderrama, and kay Giselle Versosa Oraa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood at suporta.
And now the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Let's take a look once again dun sa ating officials replay. Matatawagan nga dyan ng hand check itong si Fulgar on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Benaobra, teardrop shot for Benaobra, and that was good for the ACC Green Serpents, extending their lead to 5 points. Ayan. Now Ateneo de Naga on the offense. Domingo, well guarded here by Bron. Match na match sila dito. And now Galvez. Now Mac Trepolka on the inside now. Pull up jumper from Domingo of the Golden Knights, and that was good. Pero parang may sumalubong sa kanya ditong technical foul. Grabe. Let's take a look once again sa ating replay. Pull up jumper. Ayun. Binaril niya yung kanyang kalaban. And that was a technical foul. Yung kanyang motion doon, rec. And a chance here to extend their lead to 4 points. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Benaobra, heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to Nagar. And the connection, no good. Napakaganda ngayon ng depensa ng ating Golden Knight side. Arellano for that long three, no good. Bron securing that rebound. Nagar passing the ball to Benaobra, aiming for that 3 points, pero sinigurado niya, but no good. And now chance for the Golden Knights here to score. Another rebound on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagar losing that ball, and Mon Arellano getting that one. And Domingo makakakuha dito ng puntos coming from that layup. Now, 2 points na lamang po dito ang abante ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Galvez, no good on that 3-point attempt. Now, Mon Arellano itatabi ng ball on their side. And Mon Arellano tying this matchup. Wow! Napakaganda ng paghabol dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Deadlock by 34 points dito sa ating second quarter. Kid Buenaobra trying to lead by 3 points sa kanilang team dito. But here comes Naga on the underneath the basket. Now Braun for the second chance pointer. But that was a wrong pass to a wrong person. Now, no good on that attempt by Domingo. And on the under. Ayun, nakita natin doon, nagkainitan yung dalawa sa ilalim. Jersey number 4, Basaysay and Domingo. And let's see kung magkakaroon tayo dito ng replay. I think walang replay, Rick. And ayun, nakita natin. Grabe, ang init ng bakbakan natin. Especially, deadlock tayo sa 34 points dito sa ating second quarter with 4 minutes and 31 seconds on the game clock. Let's see. Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents with Galvez to inbound. Now, Sevillano. Galvez. With 14 on the 24, Galvez hands it to Beltran. Now with 8 on the 24 on the corner, Beltran on the inside naman ngayon. Coderes makakakuha nga, Coronejo rather, makakakuha nga siya ng easy pointer. Hinintay niya muna talagang kumalon yung mga bantay niya before putting up that layup, and that was good by Coronejo on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 14. Now to Domingo on the outside. Hands it to 26, Valle. That was out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. 3 minutes and 41 seconds for our second quarter.
ACC on the offense. And wow, 1K viewers na po para dito sa ating live streaming. Maraming salamat po sa suporta.
Napakadikit kasi ng laban natin, Rick. For sure, nakakapit na yan sa kanilang mga inuupuan ng ating team bahay. And let's see Sevillano here, diretso. And that was a 3 points play opportunity for Sevillano on the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, let's take a look once again, Rick. Dito sa ating instant replay. Sevillano dito, diretso. And makakakuha nga dyan ng 3 points play opportunity coming from jersey number 14, Monay. And now, Jean-Nico Nagar, the last season's MVP for the seniors division, is now checking in for the ACC Green Serpents now. Sevillano for his 3 points play opportunity. Let's see. Now, Domingo with that defensive rebound.
Valle, nagmamadali, passing the ball to his teammate. No good on that attempt. And Beltran securing that rebound. Nagar, may hawak ng bola on their side. Basaysay fires for 3! At yun ang na-miss dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents fans. Ang 3 points ni Basaysay.
Mukhang yun talaga rin yung inaabangan nila dito on side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 7 almost losing that ball, but here comes jersey number 27 to Domingo, pull-up jumper, and that was good on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and that was a whistle. Grabe yun. Pinigilan na doon ni Basaysay na makuha yung bola, since that will be a ball possession for the ACC Green Serpents. Pero let's see kung ano yung magiging decision dito ng ating officials. Grabe, napakainit ng tagpo doon. Grabe. And ayun na nga, we'll be having an officials review dito kung sino nga ba yung matatawagan doon ng violation. Grabe. Since the first quarter rek hanggang ngayon dito sa ating second quarter, ganun na ganun pa rin kainit yung laban natin dito. Hindi alintana yung ingay ng crowd doon sa init ng dalawang teams na ito. Very hungry to secure that spot doon sa ating Bucal Season 6 Championship. 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
And remember, Jasper, nasa second quarter pa lamang tayo pero napakainit na ng tagpo nitong dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights is now on the penalty situation.
Grabe.
Let's wait kung ano ang magiging ditong decision ng ating officiating official because nagre-review po sila on that last sequence kung ano ba ang nangyari at kanino mapupunta ang ating ball possession. Now, nasa 1,100 na po ang ating viewers sa Oragon Sports TV. Napakarami na po ng ating supporters dito sa larong ito. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya naman mag-shoutout muna tayo, Rick, dito sa ating mga viewers. We have here Brennan Bornelia, Josel Oraa, Tisoy Buboy, Lizlyn Habala, one of our courtside reporters. Ayan, nakatutok rin sa ating live coverage. We have Amaricar Bunco. We also have here Matthew Nantes, Jester Ereher, and Mark Coprada. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And also to our sponsors, special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta since from the start of our Season 6 up until now na nandito na tayo, Rex, sa ating semifinals. Nandyan sila nakaalalay, nakaantabay for this program para maghatid sa inyo ng top tier basketball actions. Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Ayan, let's wait on the decision coming from our officiating officials. 41-36 on our scoreboard and still abante pa rin po dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Sino kaya ang magkakaroon ng magandang momentum dito sa natitirang 2 minutes and 23 seconds?
And that was a holding foul from jersey number 61, Domingo, of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's take a look once again. Ayun, nakita natin, Rick, na talagang pinigilan niya doon itong si Basaysay na makuha yung bola. And now Basaysay will be getting that 2 free throws since our Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights now in penalty situation. And this was very good opportunity for the ACC Green Serpents dahil makakapag-convert sila dito ng puntos on the fouls of the Golden Knights. And now, Basaysay for his second attempt. Now, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, jersey number 27, double team. Now, grabe, double team na yung ginagawa dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see, because that was still coming from Basaysay. And now, John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents naman. Now to Basaysay, once again firing for 3. No, good on that attempt. Now, John Nico Nagar with 10 on the 24. No, ganun tatatay pa John Nico Nagar. And here comes jersey number 26, Valle, for that defensive rebound. Di diretso, but that was no good. Onside of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Pero the same ball possession pa rin dito after that loose ball by Coronejo.
Now, Aureliano, back on court, no good. And now, Coronel securing that one. Losing the ball, agawan ng bola dito. And Valle taking advantage on that chaos inside the court. Napakaganda nung bawi doon ni Valle. Now, ACC with the ball possession.
Now, a couple of substitutions here as the Ateneo de Naga will take that ball possession. Grabe, patuloy na dumarami yung ating online live viewers, Rick. Now, let's see, jersey number 21 for the Golden Knights. And that was a whistle. That was a foul coming from jersey number 6, Jean-Nico Nagar. And the same ball possession dito for the Golden Knights with Mon Aureliano for that sideline inbound. Now, Madridano to jersey number 26 for long three. No good, but here comes Mon Aureliano for that offensive rebound. And now Nagar naman for that defensive rebound. ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Pasay-say stops and pops for three. But no good at that attempt. And out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. And now, Corderas checking in and change of Nagar with last 36 seconds remaining for our first half. Now, let's see Rick kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents since magkakaroon tayo dito ng review or replay on the side of our officials. Grabe.
36 seconds remaining for our first half. Nakakailang review na tayo dito sa ating match. Talagang sinisigurado ng dalawang kupunan na ito na every ball possession counts. That's why Ateneo and ACC, napakaganda ng pinapakita ditong defense and offense. Kaya nahihirapan dito na magkaroon ng point conversion dito sa ating natitirang 1 minuto. Now, 1.2K viewers. Parami ng parami po ang ating viewers dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Ayan, so another quick shout out habang hinihintay natin dito ang ating officials kung ano ang magiging decision. Shout out po dito kay Brennan Bernilla, kay Jester Ereher, Nika Bubiles, kay Matthew Nantes, kay Clarence Jaco Celestial, Cristina Valenzuela. Happy viewing po. And the ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, 36 seconds remaining for our first half. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents para madagdagan yung kanilang 4-point lead dito sa ating first half. Now, no good at that three-pointer, but here comes the ACC Green Serpents for that offensive rebound, but it's still coming from Mon Aureliano of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, almost losing that ball for jersey number 7 Madridano, but Madridano di diretso with 10 seconds for our first half. Now 5 seconds. Jersey number 9. Now that was the end of our first quarter. Hindi na doon nakapuntos ang ating ACC Green Serpents, and that was just a 2-point lead, Rick, for our first quarter. At dyan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of action. Ayan, dito lamang yan. Sa Bucal Season 6, we are on the semifinals round. And now, let's see kung ano yung gagawing pagbawi dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights since hindi sa kanila sumang-ayon rek yung ating first half. And of course, kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Prerta for the second half of action. Now, Ateneo de Naga's basketball, Fulgar, di diretso on the corner. Now, gonna that by Plaza. And this time, Galvez, but still coming from Plaza on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And that was a good bounce by jersey number 26 on the side of the Golden Knights now. Buena obra to Galvez of the ACC Green Serpents. Long three. No, gonna that long three by Galvez. Deadlock po tayo ngayon sa 42. Grabe, napakahigpit ng ating labanan, Rick.
And now, Golden Knights ball possession. Plaza nagmamadali dito, passing the ball to Arellano. And long three was good para dito sa ating Golden Knights side. So, nasa kanila na po dito ang kalamangan sa ating pagsisimula ng third quarter.
This was their first time na makalamang dito sa ating ball game, Rick. Third quarter pala yung para sa kanila para makalamang. Pero let's see kung ano yung gagawing pagbawi dyan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Nagar naman ngayon. Babawi ng 2-pointer on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Easy layup for John Nico Nagar. And this time, mukhang ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen to give us an update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Chen, anong update natin dyan?
We are now, thank you Rick and Jasper, we are now on the second half of the game at patuloy pa rin na umiinit ang laban dito sa dalawang kupunan. Kailangan dito ng ACC Green Serpents na huwag nang sayangin ang pinaghirapang puntos. May dalawang quarter pa at hindi pa tapos ang laban. Kaya naman huwag pa rin silang mapakampante dahil alam natin kung paano ang laro ng kabilang kupunan. During the huddle, Coach Badong emphasize the importance of communication at pagtutulungan. Ika nga niya, pagtulong sa kasama ang kailangan. Kaya kailangan nila ditong mag-double effort dahil gitgitan pa rin ang laban. Ang kailangan nila ditong gamitin ang puso. Yan lamang and I'll be back for more updates.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And now, that was good. 3-pointer from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, courtesy of Con Aureliano. Grabe, patuloy yung lamang nila dito, isang puntos. And now, let's see kung anong bawi naman ang gagawin ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, buena obra di diretso. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Via on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Via, take it away.
With just 1 quarter to go, the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights are getting the tension rising with every ball possession. Adding to the team's story is head coach Coach Nuki, who was a championship-winning coach for Ateneo's junior division in Bucal Season 1. His leadership has been instrumental in building the program's legacy and guiding this current team to success. Ateneo has been holding steady thanks to the cornerstone of their offense in the first half, Mon Arellano. Their defense has also been key as continue to frustrate ACC shooters by contesting every shot and grabbing crucial rebounds. ACC, however, is not backing down and is on fire, leading a late third quarter surge with a mix of outside shooting and drives to the basket. Their bench has also come up big, contributing clutch baskets and defensive energy that have helped close the gap. The atmosphere here in the gym is electric with fans on both sides rallying behind their teams. With quarters left to play, the Golden Knights are looking to stay composed and protect their lead, while the Serpents are gearing up for one last push. It's shaping up to be an incredible finish. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, that update from inside of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now, John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents handing it to Pasaysay. Now, Galvez, Kit Benaobra On the outside, double team pa nga Kid Binobra dahil a very efficient 3-pointer dito for the ACC Green Serpents. And that was a defensive rebound coming from the Golden Knights. Now let's see dito, jersey number 16. Mona Aureliano. No, ganoon that pass sana for Fulgar. And this time, makukuha dyan ni Kid Buenaobra. Yung defensive rebound. And libreng-libre doon. Itong si John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents. Once again, sila naman yung lamang dito ng 2 puntos sa ating third quarter. Grabe, palitan po ng lamang dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now, John Nico Nagar once again didiretso. Pero may kasabayan na whistle.
The ball possession will remain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. As you can see on our screen, Jan Nico Nagar stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. Or rather, the ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents. Buenaobra inbounding the ball, looking for his teammate. Hindi pa natin dito nakikita yung mga 3 points ni Galvez. So let's see kung magkakaroon ba siya dito ng magandang momentum. And speaking of Galvez, no good on that attempt.
Now, grabe, Plaza. Grabe, napakabilis Plaza. Nagulat din doon itong ACC Green Serpents. Nakapasok yung shot na yon by Plaza. Now, Galvez 3-pointer. Still no good for Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, John Nico Nagar to Basaysay. Now, Basaysay fix and good for inside. But that was a foul. Ayan, that was coming from jersey number 18, Coronejo of the ACC Green Serpents. And according nga dito, Rex, sa ating halftime analysis, medyo inalat talaga yung ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights doon sa kanilang 3-pointers with 0 out of 8 attempts for our first half and 5 out of 17 naman for the ACC Green Serpents, equivalent to 29.41%. And pagdating naman doon sa defensive rebounds and offensive rebounds, hindi rin masyadong nagkakalayo itong dalawang koponan na ito. With that 3-pointer by Mona Aureliano on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, extending their lead to 3 points dito as we approach the 4th minute mark of the third quarter. Now, ACC Green Serpents, anong gagawin nila dito? Jan Nico Nagar, well guarded here, Jan Nico Nagar now to Galvez. With 6 on the 24. Buenaobra ngayon. Nahihirapan dito. Galvez. No good on his 3-pointers. And that was an offensive foul.
Now a 3-point lead para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Plaza, itatawid ng bola on their side. Fires for 3, no good. And the ball possession, nasa Ateneo pa din. Plaza,
That
traveling violation was called on Plaza.
Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. That was a traveling violation from Plaza. Siyempre, rekatid sa atin yan ng Naga yung travel and tours. Grabe, napakainit ng tagpo natin dito. As we can see, Coach Nuki on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Ayan. That was a steal by Plaza, and now Plaza passing, almost losing that ball, but here comes jersey number 21, Bongala, and now Mac Repolka, and for the Golden Knights, let's see kung anong gagawin niya dito with 8 on the 24, Mac Repolka, Now Mon Aureliano, 4 on the 24, but still coming from Sevillano. Now, here comes John Nico Nagar, stops and pops for 3, and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Deadlock po tayo dito to 55 points. Grabe, kung hindi makakalamang, magde-deadlock tayo dito, Rek. And hindi rin malabo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match dito. No good pa rin on that layups opportunity for Plaza. And this time, jersey number 7, Beltran. Now to Galvez. Now Galvez on the outside. Nadukutan nga dito ni Plaza on the back. Now, Juan Aureliano dito, babagayin kanyang mga bantay, but still no good. Hindi pa rin dito nakakapasok yung mga attempts ng ating Golden Knights, but here comes Sevillano. Makakalamang na ngayon sila dito ng 2 puntos. ACC Green Serpents, grabe.
Now, down to our 2 minutes para dito sa ating third quarter match, and Coronel securing that one. So, 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng kanilang kupunan. John Nico Nagar may hawak ngayon ng bola, taking his time with 10 seconds to shoot. And Nico Nagar with that layup.
Grabe, napaka-effective talaga nitong player. John Nico Nagar on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. On the side of the ACC Green Serpents, Rick, si Galvez na lang yung hindi natin nakikita ng laro dito since kanina pa medyo malamig yung kamay niya pagdating sa 3 points opportunities. Now here comes Mac Tripolka for the Golden Knights. Makakaganti naman dyan ng 2-pointer. Grabe, 2 bantay. Hindi nag-alinlangan si Mac Tripolka for getting that 2-pointer. And here comes once again John Nico Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents.
Down
1-on-1 with Mac Tripolka, pero matatawagan siya ng blocking foul. Mac Tripolka on the side of the Golden Knights.
1 minute and 2 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter.
Grabe, napakagandang semi-final match yung natutunghayan natin ngayon, Rick. And parami ng parami yung ating Facebook Live viewers via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. We have 1.3 live viewers. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Happy viewing. And for sure, Rick, napapahawak na rin sila sa kanilang mga inuupuan dahil sa napakahigpit na laban na ito. Now, let's see ACC Green Serpents, Beltran with a 9 on the 24. And that was a traveling violation. Atid sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, ball possession ngayon dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see. .53 seconds remaining. Now, jersey number 23.
Heavily guarded here.
Almost a steal from Beltran, but here comes jersey number 18. Napalakas yung pasa niya doon. A missed opportunity for the ACC Green Service na itaas yung kalamangan nila dito. And now, the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with Monay to inbound. Now, Monay. 30 seconds remaining, Monay. Now, jersey number 10. No good. Now, here comes Domingo. ACC Green Serpents naman ngayon. Sevillano. Makakakuha dyan ng karagdagang puntos for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, 8 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Jersey number 10. No good on that 3-pointer. But here comes Domingo with 1 second. Domingo. Wala pa rin for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And that was the end of our third quarter. Napakahigpit na quarter for both of these teams dito sa ating semi-final round. And lamang po dyan ang 4 na puntos ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Dyan lamang po kahit magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. we are on the fourth and final quarter of this ball game. Malalaman na natin mamaya kung sino mag-uwi ng ticket for our championship. Grabe. Let's see kung ano yung gagawing pagbawi dito ng ating Golden Knights since nakabawi lamang sila for the first 5 minutes ng ating third quarter. What a back pass. Grabe, hindi nyo yung nakita Galvez. Now Galvez, didiretso dito, losing the ball, and the ball will go onside of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Ayan, 4 na puntos po yung nagawang kalabangan nila dun sa nagdaang nating third quarter. But this time, let's see kung anong pagbawi yung gagawin dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And of course, paano ipapagpatuloy dito ng ating Green Serpents yung kanilang momentum. No good on that teardrop shot by Mon Aureliano. Now, John Nico Nagar, fourth.
No good on that attempt coming from Nagar. Now, Adnu with the ball possession. Offensive rebound. Wala pa din para dito sa ating Golden Knights. And now, anong sagot dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? The final stretch for both teams and the deciding quarter kung kanino mapupunta ang ating finals spot. Now, great steal coming from Aureliano at tansyado ang ating basket nitong Simon Aureliano. So back to 2-point lead para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, handang-handa na ata dito mag-report ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Via, anong balita dyan?
We are now in the final minutes of this high-stakes semifinals, and the ACC Green Serpents are holding on to a slim lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights. On the court, Ateneo is led by John Magno, who has been a dominant force all season with his scoring, playmaking, and leadership. Meanwhile, the ACC Green Serpents are bringing their trademark aggressive play, led by the star John Nico Nagar, known for his explosive scoring and lockdown defense. Ateneo's Mon Aureliano is putting up on a flash performance, hitting big shots and showing incredible composure under pressure. Their defense is also stepping up, blocking shots and grabbing rebounds to keep the Green Serpents at bay. The Knights are executing their plays with precision, making every possession count. Meanwhile, the Green Serpents are mounting to a final push. John Nico Nagar has been nothing short of sensational, hitting a deep three-pointer. Their relentless defensive pressure is forcing turnovers, and they're taking a full advantage to close the crowd with every play met by cheers and gas. Ateneo's fans are willing their team to the finals and are hoping for a dramatic comeback. With just minutes remaining, it's all coming down to execution and heart. Will Ateneo break their streak of semi-final exits and move on to the finals, or will Green Serpents spoil their dreams? The final moments are unfolding now. Don't look away. This is once again Veronica Nacario reporting for the live via One Media TV 48 Naga o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Thank you so much, Via, for that report. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights patuloy ngang umaarangkada dito sa ating sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth and final quarter. So nabanggit nga dito ni Via na kailangan ditong magkaroon ng magandang redemption season itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Comeback nga, ika doon sa ating report ng kanilang courtside reporter. Pero on the other side of things, syempre hindi rin magpapahuli dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, ano kaya ngayon ang magiging technique nila and game plan? Kasi as of the moment, napakaganda ng performance ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ano ang balita dyan, Chen?
Well, thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the fourth and last quarter of the game. Git-gitan pa rin ang score sa pagitan ng dalawang kupunan. The ACC Green Serpents regains their composure as jersey number 6, John Nico Nagar, takes control of the offense. At lahat naman nakikitang nagko-contribute. Jersey number 18 also contributes with some rebounding, giving the ACC second chance opportunities. Kaya naman, Rick and Jasper, sino kaya ang magkakakuha ng ticket patungo sa finals? Kaya naman si Gabi tumutok dito lang sa One Media TV 48 Naga and Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again, this is Jen Shaira Nicolas. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ay na nga at nakalamang kanina ng 2 puntos yung ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, but agad naman niyang nabawi ni John Nico Nagar for getting that 2 free throws, and this time more possession ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see, Domingo now to Fulgar for 3, but no good. Now still Plaza for that offensive rebound. Domingo pull-up jumper comes short on that shot, but here comes Domingo once again, getting that 2-pointer on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, 6-minute mark ng ating 4th and final quarter. Let's see, dahil nahihirapang lumamang dito ng kalayuan itong ating Golden Knights. And here comes Bucal stealing that ball. Jersey number 26, Didi Recho. But here comes Beltran. Grabe, fast-pacing na yung laro nitong dalawang team dito. John Nico Nagar, Didi Recho, getting that 2-pointer, and agad namang babawiin dyan yung kalamangan, and everything is tied to 65 points dito sa ating 5-minute and 28 mark ng ating 4th and final quarter.
Nakakailang deadlock na nga tayo dito sa ating 4th quarter. Talagang ito ang feels para dito sa ating semifinals match. Now, matibay nga ito yung palagi kong inuulit-ulit. It's either ACC Green Serpents ang makakakuha ngayon ng panalo or the Ateneo Golden Knights 10. Siyempre, ayaw magpatalo ng 2 kupunan na ito, pero again, meron na naman ditong nagkakaroon ng mainit na pagtatagpo sa 2 kupunan, as you can see on our screen.
Grabe, napakainit na talaga ng bakbakan natin ngayon. And as we can see, John Nico Nagar complaining for that violation. Grabe, napakainit na ng tagpo. Walang gustong magbigay at walang gustong bumigay.
Yes.
For this 4th final quarter, dahil maya-maya lamang ay malalaman na natin yung ating winner for this semifinals that will be advancing for Bucal Season 6 Championship in the Seniors Division. Napakagandang tagpo ngayong gabi. Walang masasayang kung pupunta ka dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para manood ng ating semi-final rounds. And also, kahit sa ating live Facebook live coverage, talagang napakaganda na ng ating mga matches. The semi-final rounds now. Beltran, no, ganun that long 3.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Nagmamadali dito si Valle. And now the ball. Passes on the side of the ACC, pero lumabas doon si Beltran. That's why the ball possession will remain on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Mac Tripolka is in for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, patuloy na nagdadagdag. Rumarami yung ating Facebook Live viewers. We have, as of now, Rick, we have 1.4 1,000 viewers on our Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Grabe, napakaganda ng laban. Let's see Mac Tripolka after that sideline inbound. And now, jersey number 70, Plaza, nahihirapan dito. But here comes jersey number 26, pull-up jumper. Almost getting that 2-pointer, but no good on that side. On that attempt by the Golden Knights. And now, John Nico Nagar. Didiretso dito, John Nico Nagar. No hesitation, grabe. Napaka-effective nitong si John Nico Nagar. Lalong-lalo na we're on the 4th and final quarter. And lamang na po dito ng 2 puntos ang ating ACC Green Serpents. And that was a whistle. Matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 19, si Villano, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
And speaking of John Nico Nagar, talagang napakagaling na nitong batang ito because on our Bucal Season 5, siya lang naman po ang ating MVP. So talagang asahan natin na napakaganda po ng ipapakita niya this match. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. And ACC
mapapatawag dito ng coaches
for review
challenge itong ating ACC Green Serpents dahil sabi nung mga players doon, especially Beltran And jersey number 18, nagsasabi sila na bola lang daw yung naka-in contact nila doon. Pero we'll be having, let's see, dahil hindi dyan napayagan ng ating officials for that coaches challenge. And as of this moment, Rick, 1,500 viewers na as we are on the 4th minute mark of our 4th and final quarter. Chance for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights to tie everything dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. Let's see. Jersey number 7, Madridano. And ayun na nga. Tinabla na yan dito ni Madridano on the side of the Golden Knights. Ayan. Let's see kung ano yung game plan na isinet nitong ating ACC Green Serpents para makalayo dito sa ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And of course, also to the Golden Knights, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito para tuluyan ng i-dominate yung ating 4th minute mark. Pero let's hear. Ayun na nga at natawagan dito ng technical foul. Itong si jersey number 7, Hans Christian Beltran of the ACC Green Serpents after faking a foul. Grabe, that was a technical foul. Ayun, at makakakuha dito ng technical free throw itong si Oscar Beltran. Grabe, parehas pa sila Beltran, Rick. And now Oscar Beltran of the Golden Knights will be getting that technical free throw after that technical foul called to Hans Christian Beltran. A very crucial call. And ayun na nga, lamang na naman dito ng isang puntos ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Now let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents as our ACC community dominating the comment section for our Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Now let's see.
Now ACC with the ball possession.
Sevillano on the outside with 6 on the 24. Now Pasay almost getting the 3-pointer. That was not Pasay, that is Kabahog. Now Makrepolka for the Golden Knights, Makrepolka. And now swinging it to jersey number 16 rather. And that was a 3-pointer from Oscar Beltran of the Golden Knights. Grabe, tuwang-tuwa dito Coach Nuki Sapio of the Golden Knights. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Stops and pops for 3. Grabe, that was wild. And now, medyo nakalayo na dito ng 4 na puntos. Ito ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights dito sa ating 4th and final quarter with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining for our 4th and final quarter. And ayun na nga, Rick, for our ACC Green Serpents, after this game, yung ating ACC Green Serpents will be traveling to Manila for a 3-day Shed Invitational Games to represent Prisaa. Grabe, napakagandang opportunity for the ACC Green Serpents and the best of luck for them after this game. And now, as you can see on the snapshots of the ACC Green Serpents,
.67 is our score para dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And the ACC Green Serpents is now on the penalty situation. Now, ball possession ngayon ng kanilang kupunan, Nico Nagar. Passing the ball to Galvez. And a foul was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayun, nakita natin dito na may pagdugo dun sa ulo nitong si Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. But still, titira dito ng 2 free throws for the ACC Green Serpents. Rest assured, dyan naman yung ating medical staffs to check on Galvez after his free throws. No good on that first attempt by Galvez. As we can see, parang kinatanggal ni Galvez yung tape on his finger. Now Galvez for his second free throw. This was very crucial because especially Rick, nasa 3-minute mark na tayo ng ating fourth and final quarter. Malapit na yung pagtatapos ng ating fourth and final quarter, and maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin, still no good, yung ating champion or yung magkikipaglaban for the Bucal Season 6 Championships.
And now Mac Trepulca, heavily guarded here. Time to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights, forcing that one and getting a point. What a move coming from Mac Trepulca. And now ball possession ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. John Nico Naga fires for 3, no good. Another opportunity para dito sa Golden Knights, pero out of bounds ball para sa kanilang kupunan. The ball possession will remain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang ating Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. And to hear an update sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, let's call Chan. Hi Chan, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Well, Rick and Jasper, as we approach on the last remaining minutes, palaisipan pa rin kung sino ba ang uuwing panalo. Kaya naman for the ACC Green Serpents, this is their last push to establish at ibigay na ang all-out na galing. Back to you, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Shanna. That quick update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And ayun na nga, Rick, kailangan na talaga ditong ibigay nung ating ACC Green Serpents yung kanilang 100 or yung kanilang 200% for this ACC Green Serpents, or for this last 2 minutes and 24 seconds for our our semi-finals. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Via on the side of the Golden Knights. Now, Via, take it away.
With more than 2 minutes left in the fourth quarter, the tension is palpable here at the Ateneo Gymnasium. The Golden Knights and the ACC Green Serpents are giving it their all. The Golden Knights are clinging to a narrow lead, but the ACC Green Serpents are gaining momentum. Both teams are locked in, and every possession feels like a turning point. The energy is electric, and this game is far from over. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Via, on that quick update from the side of the Golden Knights. Now, marami pa rin yung nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. We have 1.7 Rick, 1.7 thousand via Oracle Sports TV Facebook Live as we are on the last 2 minutes and 24 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. Now, Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, parang natitigilan dito. Now, Galvez fighting for long three, but still no good. Still cold hands for Galvez on the side of the Green Serpents.
And now, Golden Knights with the ball possession. Mac Trepulca. Nasa dito. Kay Madredano. No good. Agawan ng bola. And still, Golden Knights with the ball possession. Valle fires for 3. No good. And Plaza securing that offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Madredano fires for 3. No good.
And now here comes John Nico Naga for that defensive rebound. But that was a foul coming from jersey number 70, Plaza. Grabe. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. 6 points yung lamang dito ng ating Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito pagbawi ng ating Green Serpents. Ayan, a quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Sir Francis Erickson Basbas na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing, sir. Now, let's see. May pagtapik dito itong si Mac Tripolka. Now, here comes John Nico Nagar. Backstep for 3 but no good. Now, Galvez naman, swing it to Kid. Wala obra, but a rejection! What a rejection! Coming from Plaza. Grabe yun. Napakainit na tagpo for our semi-final round.
And a 3 points para dito kay Bonaobra. It's not yet over. On the side of the ACC Green Serpents now. Chance for the Golden Knights here to add their 3-point lead. Heavily guarded here. And losing that ball.
Now Galvez almost getting that ball, and the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter, and napatawag pa nga ng timeout ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito, adjustments for sure, Rick. Yung mga team bahay natin na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live coverage is nakahawak na sa kanilang mga inuupuan. Let's take a look once again sa ating instant replay. Jean Nico Nagar pushes to the inside, getting that 2-pointer. And ito yung mga game highlights natin for the fourth and final quarter. A 3-pointer coming from jersey number 16. Grabe. And that was also from Galvez, a 3-pointer of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now back to the ball game. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining for this game, and still 3-point lead lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So we cannot conclude yet kung kanino mapupunta itong ating larong ito, because medyo mahaba-haba pa itong ating oras na natitira. And the ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now 3-point lead of the Golden Knights with 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining, and a ball possession dito for the ACC Green Serpents with John Nico Nagar for that sideline inbound. Now John Nico Nagar to Galvez. Now Galvez 12 on the 14. Diretso dito Galvez. Bonaobra loses that ball, but here comes Galvez stepping on the line ang maitatawag dyan on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe, pero as we can see, the team captain John Nico Nagar staying calm, doing a game plan or creating a game plan dito sa ating ball game after that crucial error of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Now let's see, Mona Aureliano to Plaza on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Plaza well guarded here with 40 seconds on the game clock. Now Mac Tripolka with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Mac Tripolka dito di diretso. Now for 3 points, Mon Aureliano. Now good on that 3-pointer. Now here comes the ACC Green Serpents. Bonaobra loses that ball. And that was a review, Rick. Grabe kung sino talaga yung nakalabas doon ng bola. This was a very crucial ball possession dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Most especially 30 seconds na lamang yung natitira for the fourth and final quarter. Grabe. Let's see if the ACC Green Serpents can still do this, can still dominate, and can still get that change of momentum. Hindi rin malabo na magkaroon tayo dito, Rek, ng overtime match. Grabe, nasa 2,000 viewers na po tayo via Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Let's see kung kanino nga ba mapupunta yung bola dito, since this will be a very crucial ball possession for both of these teams. And ayun na nga po, our officials is doing a replay here, a review here kung kanino nga ba mapupunta yung ball possession natin. With 21 seconds on the shot clock and 30 seconds on the game clock. That will be a 9 seconds differential on our shot clock and on the game clock.
And look at this Ateneo crowd. Talaga namang full support para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And both teams are now on the penalty situation.
And now the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 30 seconds remaining, Rick. Let's take a look once again dito sa ating instant replay. That was the last touch of jersey number 3, Mac Tripulca of the Golden Knights. Ayun, tumama dun sa paa nitong si Mac Tripulca on the side of the Golden Knights. Now let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Buena obra to Galvez. Now Galvez.
And
Nico Nagar. But oh no, that was an 8-second violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Another crucial error on the side of the Green Serpents. Grabe! And this time, mapapatawag dito ng timeout yung ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, and the coach of the ACC Green Serpents is requesting for a coach's challenge. And our officials is now discussing that 8 seconds violation, that very crucial 8 seconds violation nitong ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Wow. We'll see, since this is very crucial. And ayun na nga, Rick, our officials is now doing an officials review kung 8 seconds violation nga ba talaga yung naitawag doon for the ACC Green Serpents. This was a very crucial error kung mapapatunayan nga na that was an 8 seconds violation. And patuloy pa rin nga dumarami yung ating Facebook Live viewers. We have here 2,000 live viewers via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. And tutok lamang po kayo for more semi-final rounds. I mean, dalawang game na lang naman na pala, Rick, yung natitira for our semi-final round. So, we'll have 2 games for tomorrow. 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. matches. And of course, kung gusto nyo rin manood ng live, you can go here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Walang masasayang. Walang masasayang kung pupunta kayo dito sa Ateneo para manood ng Bucal live matches. Ayan. That was the decision of our officials. Ayun na nga, that was an 8 seconds violation. And the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Grabe, that was a very crucial error. And now our players is now back at the hard court. Let's see. Mon Aureliano. With 15 seconds. Now, jersey number 16, Didirecho Beltran, getting that 2-pointer, extending their lead to 5 points. Grabe. Let's take a look once again dito sa ating instant replay. Beltran di diretso. Teardrop shot for Beltran. And that was good on the side of the Golden Knights. 11 seconds on the game clock. Will the ACC Green Serpents still can do it on our semifinals, since yun na nga, na-extend na dito ng ating Golden Knights sa 5 points yung kanilang kalamangan on that last 11 seconds ng ating fourth quarter. Well, nakita naman natin, Rick, from our very first start, from the first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter, walang bumitaw and walang gustong bumitaw. Pero let's see kung ano yung planong gagawin dito ng ating Green Serpents.
11 seconds remaining para dito sa ating match. 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng Green Serpents with this 11 seconds? Back to the ball game.
And 11 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Grabe. Indeed, a very good match for our fourth and final quarter in the semi-final round. Semi-final match. Now here comes Basaysay for the sideline inbound. Now Basaysay to Galvez. Ayun na nga, at matatawagan dito. Let's see if that was a shooting foul. Titingnan natin kung makakakuha dito ng free throws itong ating si Galvez on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Napakainit ng tagpo. Napakagandang laban, Rick.
And now, free throw opportunity para dito kay Galvez. And a clean basket for him. One more time for Galvez. They really need this one. And Galvez. 2 shots was good. And a timeout on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Grabe. Napakahigpit ng laban natin. Let's see if can the ACC Green Serpents still can do this for our fourth and final quarter. Well, kung naaalala nyo nga mga kaibigan, yung game finishing nitong ating ACC Green Serpents during the first round of eliminations kontra sa ating UNC Greyhounds with that 82 or 81 milliseconds remaining on the game clock, and Kit Benaobra finishing that play or that game with a 3-pointer. Grabe. Napakagandang game finishing noon ni Kit Benaobra on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Noon pa yung first round of eliminations natin, pero this time we'll see kung ganun rin yung mangyayari dito sa ating semifinals round. So the possible na mangyari dito is magkaroon tayo ng overtime if the ACC Green Serpents can steal and make that 3-pointer, or kung makakapuntos lang sila dito ng 2 points, still the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights will secure that ticket for our championship round. Now let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. Mac Repolka to inbound with 9 seconds here. That was good for that first free throw attempt by jersey number 16 Beltran on the side of the Golden Knights. Well, maybe we need to explain, Rick, yung 8 seconds violation kanina ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Well, as I've said, 21 yung nandun sa shot clock and 30 naman yung nandun sa ating game clock. Well, that was a 5 seconds differential on the shot clock and the game clock. Kaya naman after that 5 seconds, natawagan doon ng 8 seconds violation yung ating ACC Green Serpents. To be clear, dahil na-mention ko rin kanina na that was a 5 seconds violation, or I mean 5 seconds differential on the game clock and the shot clock. So ayun, Rick, kaya that was an 8 seconds violation because ayun na nga, 25 lang yung nabawas doon sa ating game clock, pero that was already an 8 seconds from the shot clock. And that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. The Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights securing that ticket for our championship rounds for Bucal Season 6 Seniors Division Basketball. Indeed, napakaganda nung laban na natunghayan natin ngayong hapon, Rick. And maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin yung ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
And there you have it. Congratulations to Ateneo Golden Knights for securing the final spot dito sa Bucal Season 6. And our best player of the game is brought to us by Ateneo de Naga University, One Big Fight. And together with me is our best player of the game, none other than Mon Arellano, having 23.7 rebounds, 4 assists, and 5 steals. So congratulations, Mon, on your big win dito sa araw na ito. So how are you feeling na ikaw ang isa sa mga naging factor kung paano na-break yung curse ng ating Ateneo na makaka-finals na tayo ngayon?
Sobrang saya lang po kasi the past 2 seasons talagang hanggang semis lang kami. Yun nga, sabi mo, na-break na namin yung curse, and thankful kaming lahat ng coaches ko, ng teammates ko. Yun, thankful lang po, and magtatrabaho kami sa finals.
Yan, so ano pa ang aabangan namin sa isang Mon Arellano together with his co-players sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights sa ating finals?
Siguro magfo-focus lang talaga ako sa defense eh. Most especially sa defense kasi yun yung parang weakness ko. And sa offense naman, tatrabahuin namin as a team.
And lastly, message to all the Ateneo community na talaga namang from day 1 up until this semi-finals, talagang full support sa inyo.
Yun nga, sabi ko, thankful kami ng coaches ko, ng teammates ko sa Ateneo community na talagang kitang-kita naman natin yung suporta nila sa amin. And then, yung family ko andyan, nanonood, sila mama, yung nasa abroad, si Mama Anis, si Mama Del, si mga tito ko, andun sa bahay nanonood, yun.
Ayan, congratulations again para dito sa malaking pagkapanalo nyo dito sa ating semi-finals round. Again, kasama ko ang ating best player of the game, Mon Arellano.
And ayun na nga, Rick, at nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game for the second game of the semi-final rounds. Once again, ako po si Jasper Abante, and together with me is Rick Perta. But for now, let's clarify muna yung ating 8 seconds violation for that very crucial error ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Well, as I have mentioned kanina, yung ating game clock is on the 30 seconds remaining. Now, yung ating shot clock naman is having that 21. Okay,
yes.
so 21 seconds remaining yung ating shot clock doon. So, there is that 3 seconds differential since ayun na, ball possession na yun ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And then after that ball possession, yung pag-inbound doon ni Buena Obra to Galvez. And ayun, 5 seconds lamang yung nabawas doon sa ating game clock since that was a 3 seconds differential from our shot clock. So doon po sa shot clock na issue kanina, that was 16 on the shot clock, and dun po sa ating game clock, that was 25. So 5 lamang yung nabawas doon sa ating game clock, but on the shot clock, that was already 8 seconds. So yun lamang po to clarify things dito sa ating semifinal rounds. And once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. Talagang aabangan natin dito ang susunod pa na ating semifinals round. It's between the NCF Tigers and the USI Falcons. So, spread love and positivity dito sa Bucal Season 6. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.